Last year I checked out the Razer Iskur V2 and there was a lot that I liked about it, but it's a little pricey. So today we're gonna be checking out its little baby brother, the Razer Iskur V2 X. And also, we've got their optional Razer Clio wireless speaker head cushion. Let's get into it. And check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out. Oh. Did that work?
Kind of.
Sick. We will start by assembling the chair first. Yes, I get the gamer gloves again. The gauntlets. They always include these with their chairs and I find them so hilarious. First thing you'll notice when you look at this chair, oh my gosh, this is not synthetic leather like the other one is, and that's one of the ways that they're keeping the cost down. That's kind of what this chair is. It's a lower cost option to the Razer Iskur V2. Base, all right. Got the accessories box. Comes with a 3-year warranty. I don't need that info right now. I got stickers. But wait, there's more! Not a whole heck of a lot to it, but that makes sense. Pretty straightforward. I like that all the hardware you need is right here, easily accessible. Obviously the chair doesn't come pre-built. That's another way they're gonna save on costs. We've got the instructions here, so let's just get right into assembly. Number 1, use the provided EP foam. I'm supposed to build the chair on the foam, but I'm not going to because I'm crazy. We're a little crazy on this channel. First thing we're gonna do is put the 5 casters on the base. Step number 2, pretty straightforward. Let's do it. There we go. Oop. One thing I liked about the building process with the V2 is that the screws, some of the screws come pre-installed, which is great. So for this next step, we just need to loosen the screws, attach, and then screw back in, which is cool. It's got everything already attached, which is nice. You don't have to fumble around with bags or hardware or anything like that, which is cool. They have you at every step. It literally just says front. So that part that says front with the arrow goes to the front. Step 4, complete. Step 5, complete. Step 6, I need to actually put the chair on the base. This is probably where it would be useful to have a player 2. But you know, I'm just by myself here. It's just me. It's always been me. Is that right? Oh, yeah, I think that's right. Next step, again, pre-installed screws, which is great. We're just gonna take these out and then put into these guys and put back down. Also, what is this QR code on the side? Hold on, I wanna scan the QR code. We're getting distracted. I wanna scan the QR code. If I see a QR code, I scan it. This doesn't lead to anything. Oh, it is ours?
That's it's our asset tag.
Oh, ignore the editor's note. Ignore the QR code thing. It's an asset tag. I'm stupid. Put the back on the chair. Props to Razer. Pretty straightforward process. They make it easy, which is good. Not everybody does. And we are built. Now time to sit in it right after a word from our sponsor.
But you sat before you told us.
Our sponsor, War Thunder. It's summer, and if sitting by the beach and enjoying the serene sounds of the ocean isn't really your style, maybe you should just blow some stuff up instead. Maybe not for real, but I mean, while playing War Thunder, immerse yourself in the small details like realistic damage modeling and true-to-life recreation of over 2,500 combat vehicles. You can join over 70 million players on PC, console, and, if you do get dragged along for a family beach day, even a fully featured mobile app. So why wait? Get started for free today using our link in the video description.
Okay, immediately, not quite as much cushion as I'm used to from the previous model. I actually do like the fabric. Don't really have a comparison point from Razer specifically, because all of the other chairs that I've checked out from them had been the synthetic leather variants. This thing can accommodate 545 millimeters of sittage, of seating capacity. It's good for my frame. I'm about 160 pounds. I'm 5'6", 5'5". Depends who you ask, of course, if I'm wearing shoes or not. Time of day, all kinds of things. Basic armrests. This thing has 2D armrests as opposed to the 4-dimensional that's on the other variants. Again, keeping costs down. This is a value-focused model. So they'll go side to side and up and down. Time to go up to the moon. I feel like a little kid. Eee! It's got 152 degrees of reclinage. It's fine, it's sufficient. Do we have first aid on set?
Yep.
Cool. Not bad, actually. That was kind of sketchy, but that's good. It might just be though, because I'm short and I'm hitting like the middle of the chair when I do that. I'm not gonna go any higher though, let's not. One of the biggest differences between the Iskur V2 and the V2 X is the lumbar support system. So this one has a pretty robust amount of adjustment that you can do. This one, I don't think you can adjust at all. You can get a lumbar support pillow, but I think it costs extra. You can buy both of these chairs. The biggest differences are gonna be price. This one retails for 300 USD. This one retails for 650. So if you're wanting to spend on a Razer gaming chair, I think this is pretty straightforward. This is a good bang for your buck. 300 bucks, this could be yours. And you could also use your extra cost savings to check out this thing, the Razer Clio. We're gonna dive into this. This is a wireless speaker head cushion. It'll do anything, eh? Put speakers in your head cushions, this is crazy. Of course this would be a Razer product, of course. 3 simple steps for this one. We just need to charge it, attach, and connect. I mean, that looks like a head cushion. Oh, look at that, that's crazy. That's crazy. For first time setup only, 5 seconds. Everybody count with me. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5. Power on. Little buckles here, we just take them off. It's like a helmet. I feel like I'm doing something wrong.
Just put the speaker on the chair.
Just put the, we'll call that good. It's not quite as tight as I'd like it. I know I can get the top strap a little bit tighter. The bottom strap, I actually wish I could loosen a little bit to get it firmly planted a little bit lower, but I don't really have much. Unless I'm being really dumb, I don't think I have much, that's it, right? Like I can't loosen it anymore. Adjusting these straps right now, I'm wondering about chair compatibility, how well this would fit and seat on other chairs, other non-Razer chairs. I'm assuming if you're buying something like this, you probably are in the Razer ecosystem or you're buying it along with these chairs, because the retail price of the Razer Clio is $230. So realistically, you could buy both of these things for the same price as buying that. Less than buying that chair. We're on the 3rd step, we need to connect it. Razer Hyperspeed wireless mode, install Razer Synapse when prompted, or download the installer from razer.com/synapse. You have 2 ways to connect the Razer Clio. You can either use the Razer Hyperspeed wireless mode, where you use a USB-C dongle to connect, and then download Synapse and do your thing, or you can use Bluetooth. Now we're gonna test the Clio with both modes, starting with Bluetooth. I'm just gonna play some music, and then we'll actually install the dongle here, and we'll game with it and see how it performs. Keep a note, I am not much of an audiophile, but I can let you know if it sounds terrible or okay or good. It's pretty loud. Is it loud? No, it's quiet. Whoa, that's wild, what? I mean, there's not a lot of bass, you're not feeling a lot of bass on your head, but it actually is a lot louder with the, somebody needs to sit here. Belle, sit here. Okay, yeah! But
It sounds pretty good too.
yeah, right? But bass, like you're not feeling any bass.
That's not bad though.
Right?
You don't feel anything for sure. But like, I feel like I have to speak up to speak over the speakers.
Yeah, but I can hear you fine.
But
That's
yeah, as soon as you stand up,
yeah,
it's way quieter. That's cool.
huh. That's not bad. All right, let's try USB-C. Who would want something like this? Like somebody that doesn't want to wear headphones, totally understand that, or earbuds. I'm down with that. You don't want desk speakers because they're too loud for everyone. So you just go with this solution, because it actually is pretty quiet when you're further away. I don't think you can tell watching this video, but it's loud here, pretty quiet even like a couple feet away. So I guess I just had to talk that through, but that's the use case, I guess. I think if you were a streamer though, your mic would pick it up. Probably, yes. When you're trying to set up the Clio device, we have it plugged in, turned on. It keeps saying Razer Clio 2.4 and then it like cycles for a second and then disappears. I'm not sure if it's a problem with the USB-C port or the software, combination of both. Is it me? Is it because it's me trying to do it? I don't know. I'm curious to know if you're playing a multiplayer game and you were using voice comms, how much the sound would interfere with what you're doing. Can you guys hear anything? How loud is it? Can you barely hear anything?
From over here, I can hear you.
Yeah?
You can hear it, it's just not like excessive.
What? Yeah?
It's probably like 10 times louder for you then.
10 times louder?
I would say like 12.
Well,
12
Maybe
louder.
13 and a half,
No.
maybe. I mean, it works. It's serviceable, it's loud. I'm yelling because I feel like it's really loud, but I know it's not. Because I'm a short king, we're gonna get somebody who's really tall and also a gamer to try this thing out and give us their thoughts. Introducing Reese.
Okay, it's not as loud as I was expecting it to be over here.
No, it definitely was louder with the music.
Yeah.
I'm noticing with the game, it's a little bit more subdued.
It's like, it's a comfortable volume though.
Yep.
It's good.
It's good.
It's good.
To summarize, the Clio is interesting. I would say if you live near a Razer store, you should go try it and check it out for yourself. The chair though, for $300, I think this thing is a solid buy. And for both of these products, you can get them for like $530 versus $650 for the Razer Iskur V2, which I think is pretty cool. So check it out. Also, check out all of our other videos. Make sure, that was weird.
Watch every single one.
Watch
go,
every
go,
video.
go.